Hey everybody, it's Jackie Evage coming to you live from Waxahachie, Texas. And today I want to share with you how to copy and paste, earn $100 daily on Facebook. So what we're going to do, we have a simple program here, $25 one-up. This is my back office. And all you're going to do is you're going to get started with this program, first of all. And you're going to come in here. And we're going to go to the gold level and see on the gold level you get the pre-written ads. So everything is already set up for you, for your success, for you to be able to win with this particular program and be able to add some instant money into your PayPal account. So at the end of the day, that's what we all want, right? We all want to earn extra money on autopilot, pretty much. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to find us an ad. I'm going to grab one really quick here. Okay, let's do this one right here. Okay, so now we're going to go over here we're going to go over to Facebook. We're going to go in here into groups because we give you the groups to post in and everything. So we're going to go into groups. We're going to find us a group to post in. Okay, let's try this one. No, not that one. And so what you want to do is you want to have a nice picture. So I'm going to go into my files and find a picture. This is so simple, you guys. All it is just copy and paste. And you can earn, if you're consistent with this, you can earn $100 a day. So let's find a picture. Let's go with this one. And the picture shows up. And then I add my text, paste it, and then post. And then let's see what we have. Simple copy and paste marketing system that cranks out $250 per day. And then I'll just come here and I'll just put some little dots just to warm up the algorithm a little bit. I'll do that like about 3 times. And then that's that one. That one is done. So let's go back over here. And I also wanted to show you guys, like there's been a lot of people complaining, or not necessarily complaining, but not knowing exactly what to do when they get started. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to come down here and show you the training, the system training. This system is so simple. All you have to do is get in here and go through this stuff. Like this is, read this first. $25 one up. Watch, you're going to come in here and you're going to watch the little video. It's like 9 minutes. You're going to read this. This is a work from home business. Keywords, work and business. It does take work. It's not a get rich quick scheme. We get paid 100% commissions to resell real products such as digital downloads, resource bank, and a fully automated marketing system that does all the heavy lifting of keeping track of your business. This is a member to member business model, and it allows you the freedom to market your business however you like as long as it's ethical. And this is the awesome part about it, is that it is an international business. There is a strict no refund policy. Make sure you go through all of the training videos, contact your sponsor. And we also want you to join the Facebook support group if you're in need of assistance. But the main thing is, if you need something, contact your sponsor. That's, that way, that's the first, person that you want to talk with before you just start posting and asking questions, about what to do if you get stuck on anything. So you always want to reach back up to your sponsor and ask for help or information, such as what you may need. But at the end of the day, this is your business, and it's going to be what you put into it. $25 one up is an amazing platform. It's simply amazing. You get the back office where you can put you can put other businesses back there. Let's see. You have your own sponsor page, so that when someone joins you, when you join me, this is what you'll see inside. You'll see a video here from me, and then you'll also see my other business offers that I'm offering. Like, I'm offering the simple debit card, which is free. You sign up and you get $20, and you just refer other people, and you get 20 on top of 20 on top of 20. I also have back here Aweber. It's an autoresponder that will help you to be able to capture your leads and be able to build your list. I also have here a free $50 bonus if you join this. It's another debit card. So there's all information. So all you have to do is click on it and get the information. And then I have my primary business, which is my econ, which helps you to improve your credit score. You earn residual income. So it's a fantastic business. Fantastic, fantastic. So $25 one up not only allows you to promote $25 one up, you also get to promote other businesses in the back office. And so that's how we're able to um, earn extra money from other businesses, but you're also able to continue to post your ads on Facebook. So you post your ads on Facebook and you get instant cash. You get, because when people join you, you get paid instantly. And so we give you the ads, we give you all of the pre-written ads, and you can, tweak them and make it, what you want it to be. And we also give you, we also give you, we give you the ads, and we also give you the Facebook groups. That's what I'm trying to say. We give you the Facebook groups in order to go into, that are, the most, I guess, responsive Facebook group. So we give you the hot Facebook groups that you can go into and be able to join these groups and post in them. And so, that's pretty awesome right there. So these are, some of the groups. We'll give you 100. We don't want you to join too many at one time because Facebook will shut you down. So, but that's how you, we give you the ads, we'll give you the Facebook groups, and there's no reason, why you can't succeed. It's a little slow right now, but there's no reason why you can't succeed with this. So it's just simple copy and paste. If you can copy and paste and you can read instructions and follow instructions and be consistent, it will pay off. it definitely will pay off, and it's a nice extra income, you know, for your account, straight into your PayPal account, straight into your Stripe account. It's just an awesome, amazing opportunity. And so what I want you to do is click the link where you see the link, click the link, join me in $25 one up. And I also want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because we're going to have some great things coming up in the near future. Great things coming up in the near future. Okay? And I am Jackie Evage, and I will see you on the next video.